life is in this.
Hello guys, welcome back to our DSA playlist, and today we start with our new question, Pascal triangle, and how to print a Pascal triangle by using taking a n number and print a Pascal triangle. So let's see what are the approach to print the Pascal triangle. So before we start, let's see how we approach this Pascal triangle, how we print this Pascal triangle, and how we create. So let's create a dummy code. So this is the Pascal triangle look like. So the one and second row is upper one addition of left and right. So addition of upper one both. Just yes, you can see here C1 C10 and C1 C1 is addition of C0 and 0. So you can see here C2 1 2 C1 is 1 C0 and 1 C1 addition of. This is the Pascal triangle we have to print. So how we approach this question? So first approach is very normal, we can thought. So this is we iterate here in I order, and again we iterate J, and we add above element before and after, above row before and after. If you think here, uh, if you think here in the third row, second element is 2, and above element of both 1 and 1 addition over here. Okay. So we have to create such a code, such approach, so it will be adding of both number above the both number give you the below element. So here you can see how to approach. So first we create a vector to store all the print value. Okay. Second we iterate first order first row. So so here you can see the first element 1, and first element and the last element of the all the row is same. So we have to always print first element and the last element 1. So here we created this method, this code for this triangle I equals to 0. So I is the row and 0 is the column, whatever the, okay, and the I equals to I at the last term. I equals to I, whatever the I equals to I last term, it will be also 1. So it will, this print is always 1. And this is the to create a triangle size same as the row, because if you think here, the triangle size is 1 2 3 4 5, and the row is also 5, and the size of the triangle is also 5. So this to create a size of the triangle. And next we first iterate so as we know, so first element is always 1. So let's move to next column. So we again iterate a next loop with 1, because 0 element is always 1. So next element is 1, and we shuffle to iterate one by one. So here you can see, if we think 1 comma 2 1 comma 2, let's take 1 comma 2 now. Let's take 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1, what is 2 comma 1? Row column is 2 and 1 2 element. So how we print 2 minus 1 is to 1, and 1 minus 1 which is 0. So 1 comma 0 is 1 comma 0 is here 1, and 2 minus 1 1 and j 1. So to both element is plus, like just like here you can see 1 c0. The triangle is 1 c0 1 c0 it will come, and 1 comma 1 c1. Here you can see 1 c1. The addition of both is 2 c1, which is 2. So if you solve this, you can easily understand how to print Pascal. And my next approach is to solve by the formula of binomial theorem. If you know binomial theorem, my next approach is binomial theorem. If we take result for a vector to store the all the print element. So first we create a I element. So here we first, as we know in previous approach, the first element and the last element. So first element is always 1, okay, and we have to push we have to push the in the row. First element is always 1. So here we have printed first element is always 1, and next we again iterate loop j equals to 1, j equals to 1, j equals to 1, where j is next column after 1. Okay, so we take a result, and result is n minus 1. This is the binomial formula we have created by this thing. So this is the formula n minus 1, and n is whatever we are taking the number of rows. So if you take 4 comma 3, what is 4 comma 3? 1 2 3 4, 4 comma 3 is 3. So we take 4 minus 1, because we are taking loop. So it will be, so it will be run, so it will be run, so it will be run, it will be run till j comma I. So this is a formula to approach. Let's, so you can see here, result, if you take 4 4 comma 3, so 4 minus 3 is 1, and result is which is previous one. So previous one is 3. Here you can see previous one is 3. So 3 divided by 3 equals to 1. So 1 will be the answer. As we know, row 4 column 3 is 1. So this is the approach to solve all the to print the element. So here you can see, here you can see the same method we have used, and then we again call this function in this triangle, and we print it here, and the time complexity of this code is same to which approach we before we have taken. So time complexity is n square, because we have taken the vector, uh, because time complexity, because we are taking the loops here, two loops here, and okay, this is the first loop and the second loop. So yes, this is the first loop and the second loop, and space complexity is n square, because we are taking here two vector, first vector and the again. So this is the Pascal handle to print. So thank you for watching my video, and let's meet again.